Hello, greetings to everyone out there. It's Lucid Painter this side. Hope you guys are keeping well in this quarantine. Here I am again with my another video, and this time I am into the valleys. I am using 280 GSM watercolor paper, and this works amazing for watercoloring. And yeah, how can I forget my artist watercolors 12 shades? I will recommend each and every beginner watercolorist to start their art journey with this color set. Mixing cobalt blue plus viridian green gives a mint green kind of color, which in my opinion is best for painting blue sky. Use wet on wet method for the sky, as this will make the sky look more natural. Take some more color which we used just now for the sky, again darker this time, and make sure you don't use wet on wet method here. Make beautiful pastures full of greenery above one another. To make the pasture land differ from each other, we have to use lighter shades as we move inside the scenery. Like for example, use darker shade of green for the first land which is nearer to you, then a bit lighter shade for the second land and lightest for the last one. If you are working on any watercolor painting, don't hesitate to use enough water, because lack of water makes your painting patchy and you won't come up with good results. Also, neither put too much water nor too less, as it can help your painting to get ruined. Just balance the quantity and use the right amount of water. Mixing black plus cobalt blue to bring out the bluish black color. Again, apply the same trick for the mountains which we used to make pastures a few moments ago. I am mixing Scarlet Lake with burnt sienna to give the house a vivid look. Making the tree trunk and branches look softer with burnt sienna, or in other words, brown color. It is not necessary every time that one must paint the reality or make the drawing match up with the reality. No. Artists are born to bend the reality, isn't it? Comment below if you agree with these lines. I basically focus on enjoying while drawing anything and not on, oh my god, how is it looking or how will it look like after being completed? There's a big difference between the two thinkings, and the former one removes the anxiety from within. When it comes to realism, it is only applicable on portrait paintings for me, because portraits must have 85% of reality from the reference. Otherwise, what's the use of getting your portrait done if your face doesn't match with the painting? I'll be coming with basic watercolor plus pencil color techniques for facial drawing in my next video. So painting is giving a colorful vibe, and anybody wants to live here in this scenery? Comment again if yes. Guys, if you're having any junior in your house, then you must have seen their textbooks. Have you ever found these types of paintings on their books as reference to the stories? Isn't this painting eligible for magazines and all? Anyways, jokes apart. Towards the end, I'm just adding some details with a waterproof black gel pen. Guys, this is optional, but if you will follow this step too, then it will provide more clarity to your painting. Do follow me on Instagram for more artistic updates at Lucid Painter. Link is in the description below. If you like this video, then do subscribe this channel. Also share it with your artistic friends. See you soon in my next video. Till then, stay artistic and keep watching Lucid Painter.